This is a 2014 Mazda Miata. It has a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, heated seats, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, xenon headlights, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: an interior wind deflector, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 7-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front side impact airbags, a first aid kit, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a HomeLink feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 2,000 miles on the odometer. Because we want your certified pre-owned Mazda to feel like new, each vehicle is required to endure an uncompromising 150-point inspection. Comes with a 12-month, 12,000-mile vehicle limited warranty, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and 24-hour roadside assistance throughout the term of the powertrain warranty. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Mazda of Greenfield is located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. Experience the Darrow difference.